Ka Dr. Arpita Sarma na ka IVF Infertility Center na Guwahati. Kala pentip bakane kendo ikibrio kebadan jing hagaban pun khon bat kiwe ki jing kibedai bat ka kam ban kha ban pun. Ha ka shpo tarik mantau jemang. Ya kene ke jing kendo an penlong ha ka Florence Total Women and Maternity Care Cum Diagnostics Center kabadan ha Salaro ha That Muthlong ha Jowai.
In the heart of Guwahati, where the mighty Brahmaputra flows, a new dawn brings hope to countless dreams of parenthood. At Janitva IVF, we understand the journey to parenthood is deeply personal and often challenging. Our state-of-the-art facilities and dedicated team of specialists ensure that every step of your journey is guided by trust and care. We pride ourselves on offering personalized care, focusing on your unique needs and aspirations. From the first step to life-changing moments, we celebrate every milestone with you. Building a family is more than a journey. It's a shared experience supported by caring community. Conveniently located in Guwahati, we proudly serve families from across Northeast India, as well as neighboring states and countries, ensuring that exceptional care is accessible to all. Whether you are coming from Assam, Nepal, Bangladesh or beyond. At Janitva IVF, every story begins with hope and ends with happiness. Together, let's create a future filled with love.